Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, June 16th. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory so far here in the pre-market as we head towards a long holiday weekend. We are looking at positive numbers across the board here, though. S&P 500 0.07 to the upside so far, just 0.02 right now for the Dow. If you remember late in the day yesterday, it was actually the Dow that provided most of the strength for the overall market. 0.25%, meanwhile, for the NASDAQ back to the upside as well. 0.28 for Bitcoin downside, Ethereum as well in negative territory. That is how we are shaping up as we head towards, as I mentioned, long holiday weekend. What a couple of weeks it's been for not only the S&P, but the NASDAQ as well. This March higher continues, a lot of that on the back of strength from AI-related stocks. NVDA to the upside once again this morning. TheFly.com reporting that Morgan Stanley has moved NVIDIA to its top pick list over AMD and also raised its price target to $500 for NVDA. So AMD showing a little bit of weakness here in the pre-market as a result. Setting up to be a little bit better off. 2 days in a row here for Tesla downside, but we are a little bit better off. Interesting note out of China. There might be a little bit of a speed bump as far as this new plant. If you remember going back a month ago or so, we were talking about Tesla kicking the tires on possibly expanding and buying more property and setting up a new manufacturing facility in China. Some environmental concerns being raised over that new property, so we'll touch on that coming up. Adobe, meanwhile, looking good here so far. Pre-market, up aftermarket yesterday, up again here to start things off on a Friday. AI. All the rage here, even for Adobe beating estimates with their earnings. Carnival with a nice tick higher here. What a week it's had. 4, 5, 6 days in a row here to the upside. Citi lifting their price target, pointing to further demand coming through for the cruise lines. Intel to the upside as well. They're going to invest $4.6 billion for a new chip plant in Poland. And we'll touch on SoFi here. 2 days in a row. More downgrades coming through. 2 separate, in fact, downgrades for SoFi today. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code, bottom right corner. We'll see you shortly coming up at 8:30. We do get Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. today. There's a few Fed speakers to touch on as well. We'll be on shortly on TraderTV.Live.